United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 175, Annual Audit, the records, books and accounts of the authority, including its annual financial statements, shall be audited annually by an independent auditor appointed by the Assembly. Article 176, Legal Status. The authority shall have international legal personality, and such legal capacity as may be necessary for the exercise of its functions and the fulfillment of its purposes. Article 177, Privileges and Immunities. To enable the authority to exercise its functions, it shall enjoy in the territory of each state party the privileges and immunities set forth in this subsection. The privileges and immunities relating to the enterprise shall be those set forth in Annex IV, Article 13.